In this video, we are going to see how can we create a sweep base. For that, initially we have to go for new document, and these are the three interface that will be available in SolidWorks, and you have to create a part. Click on part and select OK. After that, this is the design tree which you can see at the left side of the screen, and you have to select any one of the plane, and we have to create a sketch on that. And I am creating a circle by using the circle profile, and now the sketch is under defined. For defining the sketch, we have to give the dimension for that sketch, and now I am defining the sketch as 100 mm and exit sketch. And now the sketch is fully defined, and you have another option called curves, and you have an option called helix and spindle, and these are the few other options that will be available on helix. And yes, pitch and revolution, height and revolution, height and pitch. And now we are using spindle, and we have to give the pitch of the circle. Actually, I am define it as 125. um, revolution will be like we can give like 12, and this will be the start angle, and it was initially taking like 270 degree. I am just giving from 0 degree it has to take. And now we have the profile, and, and now this option is available that you can see now. You can just click on this option, and you have the two other options that are available. This is like in sketch profile. This is like in circular profile. Now, if we click on the circular profile, the only thing we have to specify the path of it. I am just clicking on the path, and now we have to define the diameter of the circle. Uh, Let me give like a 50 mm, and now you can see uh, yeah, our circle is created, and now you can see that for your better visual I'm just hiding this helix hide. And now you can see this is the 3D model which we have created now. And also, if you want, you can add the material, or else you can add the appearance of it. And now I am clicking on this spindle, and we have an option called appearance, and if you click on that, you will find hard 6. You can select that, and these are the initial colors that are available in SolidWorks. If you want, you can add pink, red, yellow. As per this will be these are the options that are actually available, and I am going for red, actually slight red, which you can see. If you want to change the background now, means we can change by changing the option of here. We can give like rooftop, and this is the 3D model which we have created by using only one feature that you can see. And we can also create another simple features by using this option, sweep base. For that, I am just normal to the sketch. Control 8 you can use for that, and I am creating a plane. Oh, extremely sorry, I am creating the sketch actually. I am defining the sketch like 500 mm. Let it be 500 mm, and now I have exited sketch. Sketch will be visible now, and we have to select another plane now. I have created on which plane? Yes, I have created on right plane now, and now I have to create another profile on the front plane. Normal to, and here you have to use central line, and you can draw one horizontal line, and you can create one circle, and you can add the specific dimension for that circle like 25 mm maybe, and we have to define this circle with respect to origin. Let me give like 150 mm, and after that I have to add the relation for these two, just adding like tangential, and now you can see that the circle is fully defined. Now you can identify by seeing at actually the sketch is converted into black color now, and now you can use this comment actually a sweep base. You can select the profile. This will be our profile, this will be our path actually, and now you can see there is no interlink between the profile and the path, and we have an option for that. For that we have to go for the options. There is a drop down. If you click on that option, oh, and this is like a profile orientation, and you can select a keep normal constant, and here this is like a profile twist, and how we want like a profile twist. For that you have to use specified twist value, and we have to add the specified value for that, and this is like a twist control, and there are three drop down for this: degree, radians, and revolution, and here we are using revolution, and we can give like 1, 2, 3 revolution, or still more we can give until 5, 6, 7, or 10 revolutions we can give. And this is like another option, a thin feature. If you want to create a halo spring means, you can use this option by adding the thickness of that, and you can add the thickness on both the sides by using this midline option. And here let me show that you can see now spring is now halo now. If you want, you can use this a thin feature option, that is an optional if you are just using that. And this is like a curvature display. For that we have 3 drop down. For that we have 3 options actually: mesh preview, and mesh preview, if you click on that, you can use that. There will be a mesh all over the spring actually. That is that option. That's the reason for using that option. I think it is taking more time. Okay, fish. Yes, and we can use these kind of option to create a spring as per, yeah, this is what it will create actually. If we click on the mesh density, it will ask. if you want to increase the density, we can use that. If we increase the density means my system will hang. That's the reason I am decreasing the density. My graphic card of this system is relatively low, and we can decrease the density of the mesh, and that will be useful. Yes, I am decreasing the density. It is taking few more time. It will be, yes, we can enter the numerical value here by clicking on that option, and we can create any kind of profile by using this option, sweep base. Sweep base, it is actually used to create any complex shapes. Uh, we can use uh, this features actually, and we have like two profile. We have to be like a two profile. One should be in a path and another one should be a profile. And we can also create a circular profile that I already shown at the beginning of the video. We can also create any complex profile by using this option. I'm just unchecking this because it is taking more time. My yeah, motive is to show those options to you, but my system is not supporting. That's the reason. Uh, I'm just unchecking this option. Yes, and if we click on that, it is taking time. Yes, and we also have few other options like extruded cut, revolve cut, sweep cut, which I will going to explain one by one in my upcoming videos. And this will be like very interesting. Actually, you can perform any kind of model by using this kind of option. In future, I have planned to create a tutorial video for this the surfacing also. As the surfacing, it will be like an interesting. And now you can see that. Yes, do you want to change the color scheme? Yes, I will do it later. I'm just selecting OK, but it is we do have few other options in SolidWorks, which only few members will know that. We're going to perform each and every option in my upcoming videos, and that will be like very helpful for the students that who are learning SolidWorks for the first time. That will be very helpful for those candidates, and we can also use SolidWorks by for any 3D creation. Yes, we have other two options like zebra strips. If you click on that, means you can see the appearance of this spring will changes into a black and white, that you can see that. But here the mesh is taking more time. Yes, and we can click OK, and you will have the profile of the spring. That will be I'm just unselecting that. Yes, at last it got unselected, and now if you select OK means you can see that we have created a spring by using one. If we have created the allo spring, if you want you can use this option and you can see like wireframe view. You can see there is an allo spring which we have created, and you can we also created helix. If you suppress this and if you drag this means you can see another profile which we have created by using the sweep option again. This is what these are the two profile which we created by using this sweep base. um, yes, and we can also change the background. This will be this will be very awkward. If we can just keep like this 3.84. Uh, if it is isometric view means it will be looking good. Yes, this is what we have created today, and we will create a more 3D model in my upcoming videos.